So the new modular library has made it easier to make your own blocks. This is actually a DXF pattern as student pulled and sewn together. So it's all sewn up and it's on the avatar. I hit spacebar, it seems to be staying on her. It's kind of stuck a little bit on her side. Might be a little small. But let's go ahead and try to turn this into a block. So you are going to open up the modular library, which may be hidden down over here. And it's probably going to open up where you get to choose what group. So these are 3 great groups. So you probably don't need to create a new group. I'll double click and do women. And then they already have some categories for you. I'm going to do list view, shirts, bottoms, button down. I think this falls into bottoms. You do always have the option to make your own category if you wanted to do that, but I think this can go in the bottoms. Then for style, they just have shorts and trousers. You can add it to the existing trousers one, but if you click on the trousers one, you'll notice there's a waistband, and this guy doesn't have a waistband. It's actually just a front and back. So you do have the option to go back to style and make a new style. Maybe you design a whole bunch of things where it's just the front and back. This is a library for you to build later. I know that we're just doing an assignment right now, but that's something to think about. But for this assignment, if you want to just add it to trousers, completely acceptable. And what you're gonna do, you have a front pant and a back pant, and there's a little plus sign. So it's already sewn together. So this is so much easier than how it used to be. So now we're gonna get the front view, and all you have to do after you hit the plus sign, if you don't know, read what it says by the mouse. It says select a pattern, then press enter. Well, it also should say hit shift, because we have 2 things for the front. Now I can click enter. It has a little thumbnail, say okay. It wants us to check our taglines. Okie dokie. Any changes we need to be made? Let's just say okay. Okay, now let's do the same for the back. So I'm gonna click U, hold shift, U, and hit return, and we'll say okay. And checking the taglines again. They look good to me. Okay. Okay, we don't have a waistband. So let's see if this worked. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna select it, and I'm just gonna delete it. Let me zoom out and delete all of it, actually. There it is. Goodbye. And let's go to our front pants option. Oh, I have 2 because I did this earlier. Okay, I'm gonna double click. This is the most recent one I did. And good to know if you hit edit and undo, your pattern's still there. I'll double click and do the back. Okay, it's on her. Is simulation gonna work? Yes, it is. It just kind of fell off, but I just got to put it back on. But it's all sewn together. So it does make it really easy. So if you have a pattern you like, why not add it to the modular library? Then it's really quick and easy for you to use again in the future.